Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to some Wall Street sessions. I think music and everything is a bit more mellowed out today. We just go and put on some non-copyright stuff for once, just have it in the background, just taking it easy. It's a bit of a grey, gloomy day in PE, the GQ of PE. So we're just going to see how things go. Jev, how you doing, brother?
I don't know how I'm doing, to be honest. Now I actually told Mo now. Sometimes you would have like thoughts, but you don't pay attention to your thoughts. I think I wouldn't say traumatized myself. I made myself sad. But yeah, I'm okay.
You made yourself sad?
I wouldn't say made myself sad. Just a thought I had, and it's like, oh damn. And I was like, shit.
Alrighty, now I've heard it all.
But how are you feeling?
I'm good, brother. I'm good. Market's just been absolutely killing me today.
Not
in a way of like I'm taking losses, but just not giving me anything. So it's just been a bit of a fighting for our life type of moment. Firstly, my other account is being migrated, so I can't trade on it, but now I've had no update in that account, so literally that's just chilling. So we focus on the new VF1 I've started, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, welcome guys. Let's just see who all is here. Amina, Slashy, Jex. Who are we missing? Dave, Steinsberg, Etty. Who else? Dylan, Mangethi, Devon, GHT, Edgar. Who else? Vish, Earl, Messiah. All welcome guys. Always love seeing you guys all here in the chat. But other than that, guys, I think we can already just start jumping into the market. It's not really much we need to go over. We've got the 30-year bond auction at 7, but not anything I'd really be too stressed about, honestly. So when we go to DXY, I am still bearish on DXY. I know Chris and a few other guys are bullish, but personally for myself, as I said, daily, the whole plan from the week was literally to trade up, go test that key level, and trade right back down. And we've had that on the 4 hour. Again, we talk about it, literally trading up, testing that key level, and just stepping our way down. So again, playing out very, very nicely for us. We just want to see what happens when we get to these support zones here for the dollar, but we'll keep our eyes out for that one. You can see on the top here, we did trade out, setting Asia lows, Asia highs, trading right back down, sweeping the lows. Now we're just going to see what happens over there. And then we've got this intermediary support zone / resistance we'll watch out for here in the middle. But then going over to gold for myself. Gold is in a funny one for me. I do think we're going to go bullish again, but we always do have that pullback. If we can take out these Asia lows, break under the support, we can look for those sells to come in, but obviously that means DXY will start flipping, and I just don't see that happening personally. So again, gold could have something or more trading back down to Asia highs, testing the support now after the breakout, and then get something like that to go along on. Then we go over to NAS. NAS I've been bearish from this morning, purely because again we were bearish after holding the daily closure under this resistance here, but at the same time obviously a lot of volume to go fill in yesterday's candle, so we can see that nice bearish start coming in on the 4 hour. You've obviously traded up, closure, literally fake out to the top side, taking out those top wicks to flip bearish, another retest, and then that pump taking out the lows over here. So again, just playing out perfectly for us. Again, probably look for that retest on Asia lows. So if we can get a retest on Asia lows, resist that, I'll look to go short on NAS. Then go into US 30. US 30, I'm actually a bit more bullish, purely being because we did trade up to this weekly resistance, rejection, closing underneath it, but again now we start dropping to the 4 hour. We actually started breaking into it, so resistance, little doji there, turn around, not a doji, invert hammer, then trade up, breaking those 4 hours, closing above that resistance level, holding that as support, and then trading back up. So if anything, we could maybe see a bit of a wick pullback for that weekly resistance and then trade back up again. But I am looking a bit more bullish on US 30 for once. Literally US 30 and NAS basically just flipped for me personally. But that is what I'll be looking at over there. So either USD or NAS probably going to be the better ones for the day for me. Jeff, what you looking at, brother?
So from my side, market is very choppy. I still need to wait. So like for instance, yesterday I told you guys on DXY, I need to see them either break above this level, which was this little wick over here, which I referred to. Now we did have that break above, and I said either they have to come touch the supply zone and drop, or alternatively just trade down back into these levels to go long. So as you can see, using the body of this candle, the price tapped into it. So on the session, it's gonna sound contradicting, but I'm bullish for now. But once we get to the Asian highs, I want to see DXY start flipping bearish. So basically from this level into the Asian highs, this little box, I want to see it go down. There we have the daily open. There we also have the daily pivot. So with that said, once we can do that, I want to see price trade all the way down to this level. And this is Monday's Asian low, which is unswept. So I want to see them sweep that level. Then basically trade into my demand zone over here before we can flip bullish on DXY. And also with that said, why it's so contradicting is because also on EU, looking at structure over here we can see price didn't give us a clean break of structure. However, I do see it as liquidity sweep. Now internally, we do have a change of character. There's our fair value gap with our supply zone. And you can also see this as a potential liquidity buildup. But now the thing is, if I'm going to be looking for sales on DXY, and it's currently still holding this level. Now, obviously, if it pins the Asian lows and goes up, then that could play out. But I don't trust it in the sense of the range, because it could easily hit this level and then drop, and then we'll go break even on EU. But then again, looking at the 15-minute chart, we had break of structure over here. So this demand zone, daily open, and we also have the daily pivot over here. So technically on EU, I would like to see price trade down and then go up in correlation with basically DXY hitting this level over here and then selling. GJ as well, yesterday, I think it was yesterday, yeah, with a change of character, liquidity buildup, he's unmitigated demand zone, so I want to see GJ trade all the way down to this level before we can look to go long. So internally, I want to see some sort of change of character, but then again, it's just not looking as ideal as to I would like to see. So basically, I would like to see GJ potentially break below this level, giving us a proper change of character. And as you can see, there's a fair value gap with the weekly pivot. So potentially something like this might be my cup of tea. Let me just double check how big the stop loss will be. Okay, that's reasonable. That's reasonable for GJ. Wait and see on that. Let me set an alert for once we have that. Okay, and then on GU, very similar as well. You would actually see GU actually respected the pattern. So change of character, tapped into that level and dropped. But also I don't trust that on GU. So also internally, same as EU, break of structure. Here's demand zone slightly below the Asian. So if we can see price do this basically with a candle coming down, tapping it and closing above Asian low, I would like that, potentially go long on it, because long term I am bullish on GU. But then again, also if price trades all the way down and doesn't respect this level, then I have to wait for price to sweep this low over here of yesterday before looking to go long. And then on Nasdaq, with Keegan there also, I'm looking for potential shorts. So Asian highs have been swept, Asian low swept. But now before we can go long, just looking at premium and discount, I can't look for buys here. I have to look for sells. And we can see that here's the daily pivot, here's the weekly pivot, and here is the daily S1. Now this is a level also over here, the weekly, the demand zone. The weekly open with the demand zone. So only when we get this level, I might look for longs on Nasdaq. And then oil. All waiting for it to trade up to the daily R1 into the supply zone at the weekly open. Then I will look to short it. Still waiting for price to tap into this demand as well. So most of my pairs are basically trapped in a range. So yeah.
There you have it, guys. Very short and sweet today. Nice and simple. 10 minutes till market open. So let's see what we can get you. Let's see. Keegs, where's Curly? Like as in curly. He's in Cape Town, bro. I don't know where he is other than that. Do you think markets are slow today because of PPI tomorrow? No, not really. The PPI is not that big of an event. Like, I mean, it's big, but it's not like your NFP CPI. But yeah, what is up, everyone? If you guys haven't, also please just drop a like, a sub if you haven't. Obviously on the road to 10k, so we'll see you. We've got some exciting things planned for when we get there. But on the other side, what are we looking at for today or tomorrow? Let's even see. Tomorrow we got quite a bit of news on the table. CNY, nothing really. Obviously USD, you got quite a bit of news then tomorrow afternoon. Then Friday, French finals, retail sales. Yeah, nothing really crazy, guys. Nothing that's like gonna blow your minds. I think maybe going into next week, if I remember, you got quite a bit of news. Yeah, we got FAMC next week, Wednesday. I think that's gonna be the big one to look out for next week. Honestly, just hope we can get on these sells here. They don't run away from us. So I heard a mention of S1. What is that level? Support 1. Did you guys take any trades today? Only saw Chris that took the gold sell this morning. Jingles, I took a NAS sell earlier, but I closed it out. So I was in the sell over the... yeah, so I took the sell there. I closed over here when that happened. So yeah, that was a trade I took earlier. But I'm not in that anymore. So just looking for a continuation. Yo, Speedo Keegan, how you doing? I'm doing good, brother. How you doing, my man? Let's see. DXY, what's it gonna do? I just want to see if I do this. Can you guys see both screens? Yeah, so you see one of the screens, not really the other one. Alright. Can I do it that way? Hey, you can do it that way. Then you guys can see both. Alright. As I said, NAS probably what I'm going to look out for the day. Oh, it's chill, bro. For me, NAS looks the best. Gold's all over the place. Raven, what? Golly Raven, yeah. Yeah, I'm not liking how it's looking, bro. Guys, what's your thoughts, on this type of like screens like this? Does it bother people?
Oh, I don't even want to look at it.
I always, bro. When I'm at home, all my screens are like this.
Yo, I don't know how
I've
you
got
do
multiple things running. But as a trader, you can. It's literally if you trading correlations, like you can keep an eye on both.
Why not just get another screen, put it next to it?
Because I already have like 3 screens.
Just
So I've got my terminal running the one, my other one I've got other stuff on, and then the one. But remember, I've got big screens. So
Okay.
So
that's also understandable.
literally one screen is the size of like 2 of these small ones.
Nah, then it's understandable.
So like it's like they screens on themselves already. Especially when you want to trade like these big events and see the idea. Like if you want those as a sculptor, I think it really helps. Because like now, if you want to be taking Asia, let's say this thing takes Asia lows, like it taps here, you get this reaction.
Yeah, you can see on top
And you want
as well.
that sell, but now you have to quickly first jump to this or whatever the case is. But now I can already see, for example, dollars pushing, then I'm like, okay, cool, I can take that sell, bang.
Oh, okay, I see.
Because I don't even need to think, I can just see it right there. Dollars pushing, this thing's gonna sell.
I don't know, just OCD for me.
I know it does look busy, bro. It took me a while to get used to it. That's why I said, like, I don't know how other guys feel about it.
I feel like for myself, the first time I saw it, like, on MetaTrader 5, you can do it as well.
Yeah.
I think that's why I got traumatized. Because obviously your phone is a small screen.
No. That's stuff up. Yeah, you can't do that on your phone. What? NTO 200 Rand for FOMC direction. Yeah, guys. You guys got CPR. Don't get greedy now. Gold acting trappy. Already did that. Like my bro. What's up, G? Oh, sorry, guys. What's up, Nita? Yeah, I know. Yes, it's this weather, yeah, bro. It's just killing me.
I actually wanted to ask you, what do you prefer, sunny or weather like this?
I actually prefer weather like this.
Okay, so you're also a cattle man.
not even. I wouldn't even say that, bro. It's just I'm that guy. Like I always say to people, if you get cold, you can dress warm to be warm. But when you hot, bro, when you dying of the heat, there's a few things you can do that can just help, but it can't take it away. And I'm like, nah. So even like
myself too. I like rain. I would even sometimes when I sit here in the office and work, I would have to go on Google. I not on Google on YouTube and listen to the sounds of rain. And it's so relaxing.
What's up, gents? What's up? Bro, I'm selling AUD NZD. Can you check? Ask Jeff nicely. Maybe he can do it for you.
Usually if people say that, they're trapped.
Bro, the minute when they really need you to check a pair for them, it's because they're in it. But he said he's in a sell. He's selling it.
Okay, let's see. AUD NZD.
Yeah.
When did you take your sell? If you can tell your entry point, then maybe we can help there. Because now it's like if you sold anyway. Okay, let's look at today, London session. If you ended London session, then you're holding on for dear life right now. What was your entry point?
Yeah, Edgar, it's so true, bro. And also, bro, training. Like, I'm sorry. There's a level to heat I can train in. But like 40-degree weather in a gym with everyone else that's hot, you can't train in that shit.
So you sold somewhere. Yo, bro, when price did this, this candle, you should have gotten out already. So I don't want to be that guy to say close your trade, but also comfort of mind when I say, oh, here's a supply zone here. Comfort of mind. It could obviously react from there because this is a lower low from this level, but also now you're gonna hold on even for more dear life, hoping that price doesn't reach that level. And if it looks slightly above it, here's a half round number. So that could become a magnet for price as well.
John, what are the profit targets for Vault Finder challenges, brother? If you use the indicator EYES, it takes you to the link to the Vault Finder page. When you're going to purchase the challenge, it will tell you what the targets are. I agree. Like a Ruby, Joe, Fubar. But yeah, guys, just honestly waiting. We have 10 seconds till market open. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. So the DXY going to the top side. I would honestly take a short just on that right there. Poof, break in volume. And that thing must pump. But we're going to wait for the 15-minute shuffle. I've got clapped a few times now lately, not waiting for that. How big is the stop loss is still going to trade like that, bro? That's also my thing. If you even still in a trade that looks like that.
But you see, okay, you see, here's the problem. But now you're saying, but in the big time frame, it's in resistance. But I mean, then, if you're confident in your trade, then yes, but even so though,
I don't see where the resistance is.
yeah, if you
I think it's
enter,
busy breaking
yeah,
the
if
resistance.
you enter down, yeah,
It's only resistance till it's closed.
and also
In
yes,
resistance.
the other thing also, line chart is your friend. So price technically made a higher high, so technically you're bullish.
Yeah, but again, my thing is keep that in mind, Saeed. It's only resistance once that candle's closed and formed as resistance. Until then, that thing's busy breaking. So you can't tell me it's resisting, but it's busy breaking through it. That doesn't make sense, obviously. Like, I'm not trying to be that guy. Like, I'm just genuinely trying to help you with that, bro. To how you need to look at that.
Yeah, also it comes also from experience. Like you don't want to be like you don't want to like have your losses add up even more, and then like, oh, I should have listened and cut the trade, you know, because that regret is not a good feeling. It's not a liquor feeling.
No, not at all. But yeah, that's just my thing, bro. Like, even if you trade on a 4 hour, for example, like you don't want to be trading this, bro. Then you're a swing trader. Like, if I'm selling, I'm gonna sell stop loss above the highs. Like, look at my stop. Like, no, that's not worth it. Just to even be 1-to-1, how long you're gonna have to wait for a move like that to happen? Oh my word. Then you got to be a swing trader, and my personal thoughts on swing trading, like, it works, but when you swing trade, you got to have a big account. Otherwise, that reward isn't worth it. For example, if you're getting one trade a week, that better be a big RR or a big surprise you get at the end of that.
Yeah, I would be very disappointed if I must hold a trade for a week and I only make $10.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Keeks, guess what, brother? You're going to tell me you're in the sell already. Bro, cheese and young choice of some type, bro. Thanks, guys. No stress, bro. Yeah, so DXY starts breaking. We'll see what does at support, but I'll be interested, bro. If this thing trades down to that EQ and pivot, maybe holds, and DXY starts holding that support, I'll long it, because then we've had the pullback. I will happily take that. Sell Bitcoin. Bro, but it's a very true thing though, hey? Like, I saw a thing the other day where the guys were saying, when you see everyone is starting to get into Bitcoin, that's when you need to get out.
Yeah.
When you see the people, your cashier, the tellers, your garden boy, like, everyone is now in Bitcoin, that is the time you need to get out.
They even say it in the Wolf of Wall Street. By the time you hear about the news, it's too late. So everyone is now jumping on that news. Everyone's talking about it, like buying high, creating liquidity there.
Yeah. That really is a true thing. Dun, dun. I mean, Nas shorts from 18 swinging, looking to pivot for break. Okay, yeah. Yeah, as I said, bro, so I was in the sell over here, and then I closed out. Don't know why I flipping did. I was break even. I should have, because my target for me was, like I said, the EQ. Just look for that, and I was break even. I honestly should have just left it a break even and saw what happened, but ish, it's fine. Another day, another dollar. If DXY keeps melting, then Nas is going to turn around. So I'll just look for that entry. We'll catch ourselves a little falling knife there. Aussie Nas sales from 1825, just closed partial. It was awesome, brother.
Nice.
Caught Nasrin from London session, nice 11% out for today. That's awesome, guys. Yeah, I know Jex, we were talking about the sales in London already. And I think you guys are actually looking for the buys first. And I said, nah, boys, it's a sell. I'm telling you, it's a sell. It's got to go get some at least 50% of that volume of yesterday. Then it can continue bullish, but it's got to go get that. I think DXY on the daily is going for that wick fill. Yeah, it could, bro. It definitely could. But at the same time, you could argue the wick fill for the top. But again, if that is a key level that's been rejected, obviously you don't want to be going back up there. And there, gold, I think it's going to start breaking now. If gold gets the EQ and does something like that, I'll go long off the EQ. Dun, dun. Nas paid us today. Awesome, bro. Awesome. It always feels so weird when I start trading NAS again and I take like a break from gold. Feels like I'm cheating on it.
Yeah, I must say, like one of our clients in my paid group, man, made 28K since Friday just on Nasdaq and USD, and I was like, damn, bro, I'm gonna start trading Nas now.
Yeah, NAS and USD, I think a lot of guys just love it because of the volume.
Yeah, like me too. When the days I have taken my profit and it was amazing. It's just also that trauma of like if it hits your stop, yo.
Yeah, it can hurt you very quickly as well. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, there goes gold. Oh, gold's going back up. It's gonna fix that old move from yesterday. Come on, just give us our entry, yeah. Let's fix that.
Our boss Bobby, welcome, my man. Oh, that's awesome, DJ, man. What did you trade?
Reach the phase 1 target in 2 days of trading. Now I have to put in traders to fill the 5 days. That's sick, bro. What's up, Jeff Keys and the Chad? No, we're just gonna wait for that 50-minute shuffle, guys. USD and gold, bro. Awesome. Jake's just mine there yet. How's it, gents? Me and my roommates. First time here. Awesome. Glad to have you here, brother.
Welcome to the chat.
My boy, stop loss in deep profits. I'm holding. Just open small lot for these days. Just a clock. Oh, that's it, bro. That's all you have to do. Yeah, so for NAS, I'm probably going to wait for something at the EQ and we can get there. Gold's gone. We're not getting anything on gold. So big thing now is if we can get under there. Let's just see if we start breaking. Dun, dun. Let's see, keys, you think yesterday will come to the weekly key level? Your weekly? Sure. Well, I'm bullish on USD, bro, so I don't think so, no. Yeah, no. Unless we fail at these highs and start rejecting, yeah, but for now I am bullish, so I don't think so. Alright, let's see what happens here. Is the market sleeping or what? Flipped. Aftermath, what's flipped, bro? Alright, come on, give us something. 50-minute shuffle, we're going to end soon. And then we can see what we can take here.
Yeah, some nice reaction there from DXY from the Asian low.
Yeah. I might even think now because of that, if we get confirmation get back above on NAS, yeah, I'll take the long. So then we maybe don't get the EQ, but we got the daily pivot. 2070, 27 gold should sell off afternoon, gents. It's quite a big zone, David. No keys, don't long. I won price in golf yesterday's candle. As I said, bro, I'm waiting. We did close underneath. Yes, yes, you weren't listening to in golf yesterday's candle. Holy flip, bro. Halfway there. There we go. Gold selling off. Yeah. The guys in the chat are very, very confident. The guys are market makers themselves, yeah. They
It's all the trading alchemy they watch. Now they identify as market makers. Yeah, it's good, guys. Speak into existence what you think you become.
Is that something you teach them?
No.
I was gonna say no, bro.
Nah, look, nah, I know I say crazy things, but I would never say shit like that. Yeah, oh.
Let's see, Naz. You gonna play a game yet today? You gonna play ball? Yo, so much for gold selling off.
Yeah, Fabio, the only thing is also what Keegan said here now. So we are at the weekly pivot and there is an unmitigated demand. So it could flip bullish here. However, if this doesn't hold, then that next zone we marked out in the group, that's the next zone we'll most likely target.
Yeah, the thing is where the guys also aren't looking at things is you just at your EQ, so that's going to act as a resistance, but now you've closed above the EQ, you got the 200 to hold, and you can use the daily pivot as support to continue bullish. If you also have to go, yeah, 5 minutes, 80s flip bullish, DXY starting to sell off. So yeah, I wouldn't just jump straight away to say it's selling. I want a move, yeah. Jakes, I hate to be that guy. I hate to be that guy, Jakes, but I really think I might buy you at the EQ, bro. Really think I'm gonna buy at the EQ, bro. I hate to be that guy, but let's see who wins. I'm gonna go very small on it. Like, I'll be in and out. If this thing starts at all start breaking, I'll kill it. But I'll take the shot. Dun, 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 dun. I love you, Keys. Nah, same, bro. It's nothing personal. It's just something I'm prepared to take a shot on. Purely just of some stuff I've seen in the past. So so as I say, I wouldn't be a good trader if I don't just go with my gut every once in a while. Don't be that guy. What's an EQ? It's basically 50% of the previous daily candle. I'm going to buy with you, Keeks. I missed the sell, so I'll drive it back with you. We're going to come together here, guys. We are going to bring the buys in. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. You're not seeing anything you like, Jeff, or you also watching NAS?
I'm watching NAS and also watching EU. Quickly put on my screen.
You love?
So remember when we started this, I said that there's a little zone here on just slightly below the Asian lows on DXY. I want to see them tap into this, but now they tapped into it. They're rejecting it. Only one problem. EU is not rejecting. It's rejecting, but not at my zone. So if DXY runs, we might just miss this on EU. But then again, EU and Nasdaq moves opposite directions, right? EU goes up, Nas goes down, basically. So then also with us looking for longs on this, that might also then confirm the potential sells on EU, but there won't be like a big trade or anything. We'll probably cash like 20 pips. Thank you, Mo. Yo, Mo stuck with me. Could you hear that answer? Thank you, Mo.
Oh, what did you do?
Nah, I just asked him to use Uber Eats quick. Because for some reason, I can't use Uber Eats.
Bro, why? Your Uber Eats never works.
Yeah,
never.
only I don't know why it is. So I can't download it. If I do get it, it freezes. I can't do anything. I can't even select my address. I don't know.
So here's my question. So why don't you just use Mr. D?
I use Mr. D, but they don't have Vaporite.
Oh my flip. Yeah, the Jeff. I have no words.
Like I said, it's up to the Chad. 7K subs. I'll become the healthiest man in the office.
Nah, that's just not happening, Jeff.
Geeks, trust me, don't underestimate me, bro. I will be much more fit than you.
you gotta, bro, it's not me you have to worry about. You got a guy that's training to go around 100 miles. You told me you're gonna be fitter than him. You let me know how that one goes, bro.
7K subs, guys. And
then Jeff's apparently running 100 miles as well.
7K subs, guys. You guys will see.
Oh. Now this is back to the Friday 1 hour fair value gap. Rejections above the fair value gap. Oh, yo. Okay, guys, there's a fair value gap. I am not entering as. I'll jump in the cells with you, Jex. We are pushing this thing down. So what's that, like your 7th one for the week?
No, this is actually my first one for the week, geeks.
You've had 2 already.
Mo gave me this.
And you had another one before that.
No.
You had the little box one.
No. I haven't had one in a long time.
You had, I still made the joke where I thought there were 2 and you were like, no, that's Mo's one, this is your one.
You might be talking about the dead vape when I got this one, when Mo got me this one.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Yeah, because this isn't like a lot of puffs. There's that cuck brand that what's his name in the chat? He loves it, and I always say like, don't go for that.
Okay.
But yeah.
What? Just for Jeff, let's create multiple accounts and subscribe. What are you subscribing to?
They want to get to 7K subs. They want to see. They want to see this happen. They want to see the 6-pack.
How's the chat? What's up, Fabio? Yeah, these guys. These guys have got jokes, yeah. They've got some jokes. Yo.
Did you hear that?
Man's doing everything like 10 centimeters away from the mic and then asked me if I heard it.
I'm short though, geek, so my arms are right here.
We are still waiting for that test. So we're not in it yet, guys. Just so you are aware.
Yeah, look at that. It's okay. We can't catch them all.
Damn, Keeks, been a slow day. Already falling asleep, bro. I promise you it's been a slow day. Been a slow day. What's that song? Slow ride. Do, do, do. Take it easy. Do, do, do. We're literally waiting here, bro. The joys of being a trader. Najev, I always stood up for when they made the short jokes, but I saw Kate's post yesterday, lol.
To be fair, I told Keegan this. Even though I'm short, I'm taller than my mom, I'm taller than my dad. So
that doesn't make you tall.
To me, that's an accomplishment. You see my little brother, you must see him. Now that's a little monster.
The one that came here?
Yeah, you see how tall he is? That man, man's tall.
He's just a little bit taller than you.
You're brutal. His shoe size is like 2 times, not like 2 times, but like I wear size 6. I think he wears like an 8. And he's younger than me. 6 years younger than me. I don't know where he got his jeans from.
Jeff. Man's going on like a size 8 is a big shoe.
What size do you wear?
I'm a 12.
What?
I'm a 12. Chris is a 13.
Do they even... I didn't even know they make that size.
Yeah.
So my foot's like half your foot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Jeff. Your dad needs to explain. My wife wears a size 6.
But to be fair, I also told Keegan the other day, it's nice to be small because I'm the one who must get under the tables here. I can reach for things I can't reach it because Keegan's arms are too big to go into small holes and shit. And I go there, I fit in my whole body.
Stranger with me, I have a 6-year age gap with my younger bro. I'm a size 7, brother size 12, and he also 6 years younger than me. 8, lol, my son is 16 and he's just his size 13, 12.
Okay, I didn't say come insult me or anything like that, Maya, okay? I can't do anything with my genes. All I can do is be the best person I can be, and hopefully I can get some human growth hormone and hopefully get taller.
Jeb's a little short king. I didn't say come insult me now. Me and both my kids were 13. Age 37, kids 15 and 13.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'll say that's big though. It's 13 wearing a 13 wearing a 13. That is big.
So my question is it true that smoking stunts your growth?
I don't know.
Because I started smoking cigarettes at a very young age. And apparently, apparently it stunts your growth.
Peter says yes.
So that means...
and he's 15-year-old is 6'3".
So that means
Sorry,
certain valves were closed while I was growing up. So if I can open those valves, I might be able to get taller. That'll be so cool though. Imagine I get taller at this age.
Warren, you can't talk about that stuff, bro. We can't talk about the big stinky socks that the guys wear.
Oh yeah, I almost said something.
Alright, I'll take a little shot there, guys. Jax, I'm sorry, bro, but I have to be that guy. Just to help you guys, give you a challenge. So, I'm into...
No, Ruben, that means then when you were 10, you were 2 meters tall. Because, I I can't be the only one that didn't grow.
The only one that didn't grow. Yeah, Jax, I'm sorry, brother, but I have to just be that guy now.
Edgar has a valid point there.
What's that?
There's a guy he knows of who got older as an adult. That was due to a brain tumor.
So you're hoping you get a brain tumor?
I'm just thinking all these beliefs I have, maybe that's keeping me down to earth.
Alright. Yeah, egg work. Jim must have 3 legs. Clown shoes, no. Good luck, Keegs. Of course, bro. Same to you, my man. Just some friendly little competition, if you want to call it that.
Yeah, you see, Keegan's been trading falling knives in the Stilter.
Ah, really? That's the old me, eh? But we're having some fun, yeah. I had a good day, so I'm happy to trade. If I do, I'm giving back some profits. But I'm happy with that. All's fair in love and war. As I said, this thing's either going to turn around. Like, there's no like bad blood. It's either going to hold this and turn, or it's going to pump right through and it's going to go for the lows over here. So, end of the day, very, very chilled out with whatever happens there. Price breaking through the fair value. Forget about buys for now. Jeff rubbing off on keys with the falling knives. Oh, bro, it looks like it maybe. I buy the funding account, start my trading with them. Past phase 1, during phase 2 sucks. So remove MT5, MT4 and introduce DXY. DXY sucks every account. Yeah. Nah, it's been rough with DXY, bro. What are you basing this trade on, Keegs? So firstly, basically, bro, this on the breakaway. So you've had this over here, trading all the way back up. You're in between perfectly. When I used to trade indices, it was what we used to call the golden zone, the 50 and the 60. And you've got that support zone that we are starting to hold. Then on the 30 minutes, you've got this over here. So where that support is, you've got support, a weekly pivot, your EQ. And again, when you see this, we always talk about when you want to have these big retracements, it's most likely you won't have that flip. But again, to trade down, test the weekly pivot. An idea is to turn around, because when you start looking over here, we rejected with these lows, but we did take out the highs now. So even though we had this resistance closed, we did take out with a body closure the highs over here. So we can be flipping bullish. Obviously, again, with the idea of long term that, what's the name? It's not going to hold. So this can just be the complete bottom wick now and then start turning around. So it's a very, very risky trade. It's just something I used to do a lot in the past when like I was young and stupid, but it did work. So again, sometimes old habits just die hard. If this was like my only trade for the day, I wouldn't have taken this. But I had the good trade with the NAS sales earlier. I'm happy to take a shot at this. And the idea that DXY is doing this, but it's battling. So I'd love to see this fall off, and you'd almost see the rejection the same way USD is starting to do. Because eventually the two of them need to fall back into correlation. So we'll just see what happens. Now, as approaching the Sunday Open, C Trader the way to go. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about C Trader. Now the asked me, everyone they compensate and give everyone new. Wait, what? Now the manager asks to everyone they compensate and give everyone new accounts. Hope they do. Now I don't have money to buy a new account. Feel sad. That's bleak, bro. But I know they have been compensating, guys. This kind of trade normally should be a big RR. Yeah, it will be a big RR. Like if this happens, I won't do a 1-to-1. If this happens, first thing I'm aiming for is Asia lows. So we'll just see. But once it breaks 1-to-1, I'll go break even. Dun. What's DXY doing? Still its own little thing. So we'll see there. Come on, Naz. They kind of trade normally. Oh yeah. Lol. I'm hoping for 3-to-1 on Naz. I said it, guys. It's part of the game. So if this thing does turn around, I'm totally cool with that. What about gold, bro? Gold's gone. There's nothing you trade on gold. That move's happened. It's long gone. Oh, load shedding. What changed now? That is still the worst thing, bro. When we leave work and you go home to load shedding.
Yo, I must say though, I've been so lucky. The past 2 weeks, ever since we moved, we didn't get load shedding that side.
Oh, really?
That's so dope. So we'll leave all the lights on at times, just to make up for the times we had load shedding.
What? Oh my word. Jeff's always on his own mission. Dun. Oh, USD is running. If the 4-hour flips on gold, it would be nice. It's the 4-hour flips. Yeah, but I didn't see that flipping. Dun.
Sure, listen to this news release.
Yeah.
Drug trafficking ex-president's wife announces to run for office. Just days after her husband Jean Orlando Hernandez was convicted in the Manhattan court for conspiring with drug traffickers to flood the US with cocaine, Ana Garcia Hernandez has launched a bid to become president. Hectic.
Huh. I'm just moving, setting my stop since I'm jumping around, yeah. I'm still in the trade, guys. Just setting my stop since I'm on other screens, yeah. Yo, DXY at 200. Let's see what it does now. Gold coming down. USD still going strong. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. They normally do, but they've been a bit off lately, and that's what I'm saying. Eventually, they have to catch up to each other. Dun, 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 dun. The guy's doubting me, yeah. I know sometimes I've done some dumb shit. But that's not a usual, guys. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see, anything else happening? Oh, DXY rejecting the 200. Keeks, the only thing you're doing wrong is not taking all your profits to Bitcoin like Nachi Crew are doing. Beautiful flip on the 15. What was the 15 closure? Well, it hasn't flipped. Or yeah, so I don't know. My brother's on about there. That's the thing. I don't know. You guys can't say something's done until it's done it, guys. That's not how they work. Chris, please tell us if we reach entry point. Okay. The preference, I have no clue where you are. 'Cause I was going to say maybe you're behind, but I don't know what you're talking about, bro. Should Nas use...
Yeah, repeat it. Okay, I'll be right back just to do something quick since I don't have Wi-Fi at home.
Come on, guys. Come on. Guys, I'm going to go break even. We've had that test. We break even. We break even, baby. Come on. Let's get another one. Let's get another one, baby. Let's get another little naughty quick TP. We break even now, so risk is off the table. Risk is off the table. Come on, guys. TP incoming. We are inches away. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's get it there. There's another TP. There's another TP, baby. Back to back.
Yeah, so quickly. I just literally walked out.
There we go, baby. Your boy's back on Nas. Woo. Send a little W in the chat there, guys. If you got in that one with us. You know what that means, baby? Billy's back. Give a little moment there for Billy. Ah, come on, guys. A little quick in and out. Alright, there we go. There we go, baby. All the little W's there. Another one, Martin in the dust, Chad. Another one. Why didn't you take the move down but instead 2 candles up or retest on Nas? Wait, Trey, what are you on about, bro? Why didn't we take the move down but instead 2 candles up? Wait, I'm confused. What are you talking about? I don't know what you're on about, bro. We got in. That's the whole point of it. You're in, you're out. We got what we wanted. Beautiful TP. Can turn around now. Can do whatever it wants. I couldn't care. But another TP in the back for the guys. getting his powder wet. Vince, please tell me you're in that one with us, brother. Please tell me you were in that. Very easy in and out, guys. That's what we always talk to you guys about the whole time. TPs is just as important as your stop loss. We got what we wanted, our quick 30 pips, and we are out. Nothing wrong with that. That's the joys of NYSE. You can be in and out very, very quickly, guys. Don't need to be hanging around here for nothing to happen. I'm still waiting for that area Jev spoke about to enter. Oh, Fabio, so you didn't trust me, brother. Fabio didn't trust me. But it's all good. Nothing wrong with that. Hopefully you and Jev still get in on it. Let's see. Got the move there. We're happy with that. Nas hurt me yesterday. Wow, bro. We won on Nas yesterday as well. How did Nas hurt you? CPI was killed on Nas. And then we won in the afternoon. Like, how did Nas hurt you? And again, then how's it my fault? Why you not trading with me? Man's not trusting my signals, yeah. Or my trades. I feel it, bro. It's okay. I don't think I'm a good trader. I'll see how it is. Yo, I was in a meeting. Jax, there you go, bro. You can carry on to the downside. I got my trade, got my TP, so you can carry on to the downside if you want. Glad my stop loss was D profits, lol, W key, shot my man. I said this can carry on your way. I don't know where your stop was, but it can carry on. I'm happy. I got my TP, my 30 pips. I'm happy, bro. So yeah, this thing can run now. I can do it at once. I'm still holding NASBARs, holding it back to the high of the fair value gap. Wait. Hold on. This is not my brother that said the bars are off the table because of fair value gap. Now it's approaching the Sunday open. Break it through FVV. Forget about the bars. Yeah. But as you can see, the bars are still pretty well, my man. So yeah. Oh, Jeff, still nothing on the cards for you. When you entering your NAS trade, bro?
Still waiting. Still waiting for it to come to my zone. Can you put on my screen? So I'm waiting for two things to happen. Oil almost at that high, as you guys can see, rejected. So still waiting for it to push up. Nasdaq, I have a level down here, and this is also the weekly open over here. So I'm waiting for price to trade down to this level. However, since we are holding the EQ, I have to also be mindful that we need to also consider retracements. So this little zone over here could be where Nasdaq might reverse. So potentially I might look for a change of character, retest, and then potentially taking it to the upside. But I'm still waiting to see on that. So once we can actually change character, then I will take that. GU at this level, so I don't really trust it. Like I said, once I can get GBP in, just tap 189.500 pivot fair value gap, then I will take a shot on GJ to the downside. Okay, we'll see what DXY does here. Still expecting price to push up. Okay, GU. Still short on GU for the session, so I wanted to come here. But now the only thing is, I can't short it from here. Nah, this isn't my cup of tea. Can't do this. Unless I would look for something like this to happen. Nope, I'm not gonna force it. Can't do that. 1 to 2. I want to at least have a 1 to 4 or at least 3.5. Osh, I'm not looking at gold, but I can have a look for you. So from my side, maybe yesterday, I wanted to look for some buys, but no change of character, so couldn't confirm for me. However, before looking to go, like, okay, so immediately see what the 4 hours doing. Interesting. So the fact that price didn't actually have a clean close below this level, so I will still be bullish on that, on gold. Obviously from these levels, oh no, still not a change of character. Let me just clean this up a bit. This could be a change of character over here. So now before we can sell it, we have to see price make a retracement to the upside. But then again, how do you mark out the zone that's this big? Because you have to map out the whole candle. Just double checking the 4 hour. Okay, from there. But then again, also the fact that no clean close on the 4 hour still scares me a bit. So I would still set it out on gold until the pattern is more clear, or at least until I have a lower low formed in the 4 hour chart or something. Awesome stuff, Dylan, man. Awesome stuff. Yeah, near Fabio, yeah, we're patiently waiting on Nasdaq. Patiently waiting. Remember also, I don't really trade it, so I'm getting used to it. So once I have a more clear relationship with the pair, I feel like I'll be able to give more clear, precise setups on it.
All right. Jeff, you taking something there, brother?
No.
Open for Nas. Hence, I consider buy a.
Still waiting.
Brother. Oh, good. Gold. Oh, bro. Gold's gone, my man. That was the move that happened. It's now pulled back. You're back at the EQ. If you want to, it's a ballsy move, but I wouldn't take it. If you can hold above the EQ, you can take the continuation. Hit my TB on gold. Come on, baby. Dylan, that's awesome, brother. Well done. The guys are all in the blues today. Nas must fall. They can go, guys. As I said, I've got off. I got to my station. I'm now off the ride. You guys can carry on to wherever you want to go. It's not gonna interfere with me. But sorry, Jeff, what were you saying, bro?
Oh no, I'm still waiting.
Still wait. What are you looking at?
Waiting for GJ to kind of come to this level.
Yeah.
Slightly pinned above it, so exactly at the half round number, and then just give me some sort of close in the 1 minute, 3 minute. Then I'll take a shot towards the downside.
Okay.
I was looking at GU now as well, but the fact that GJ is not confirmed yet, it isn't on GU. And also, according to my method, I can't trade a 1-to-1, so I wouldn't want to take that risk. So yeah, it's a waiting game.
Naughty little waiting game. Yeah, unfortunately we're gonna have to call it like a 1:45. So
there's no stress. Or you guys could leave me and I could someone run the Asian stream tonight.
I don't think this thing's just gonna carry on running until Asia. It would have to still stop it and start up.
No, but I have to go get some groceries as well, so yeah.
Keith, how many pips was your trade? 30, bro. I always do a 30 pip flip races thing now. So you'll see if that was the entry.
I think you're still on my screen.
Yeah, sorry, I'm just there we go. Yeah, so if you see there's your 30 pip in and out. Let's see what's going on here.
Hey, one day, Ed. One day. The way I fight myself in the morning sometimes. Oh,
Fight with yourself.
yeah, I don't want to get up. And literally, Mikhaila would have to tell me, it's a new day, new opportunities. And I'm like, fuck, that's true. I have to get up.
My words. Yes, as you do big lots, eh? Yeah, bro, I do. Keep in mind, all my stuff's always worked out, so for my accounts. So I'm happy to go big lots because it's on a very, very small, if you want to say, trade plan. I still swing them, but like with this account that I'm busy with and that now, like, there's no need to. Let's see. 2 a.m. squad. Yeah, market's on too much today now.
Oh no, GJ, don't leave us behind.
Yeah, I mean, Jev, you think you're gonna get that trade?
I would like to hope so, but timing wise, I don't think so.
Because otherwise, then I think after the end of this 5 minute now, then we can call it.
Oh, good.
Because the moves that happen, markets have already dramatically slowed down now. The joys of New York, in and out like the good old days. Thanks to you, cheers, Dave. And there
Thank you, Dave.
Is running, guys. We told you. Keeks, did you guys get the EJ trade this morning? No. No, we didn't, brother. What did I see on 30-minute move to bar? Monkeys, I'll go back, bro. I explained exactly why I took the bar. Like I said, you guys, I just need my 30 pips because I'm already in profits for the day, so this is just the cherry on the cake. But for you guys, target easy, Asia lows. You risk free anyway. Asia lows your target now. And I mean that if it runs, I mean Asia lows is being hit before like tonight. So if you guys want to, you stay break even and you can hold it till there. If you want the big trade. But that's it, guys. That's 5 minutes closed. Jev, so any words there from your side? What you gonna wait for in this trade if you still think you'll enter?
So I'll give it until maximum 5:30.
Yeah.
So GBP yen, I just want to see simply half round number 189.500 see them tap that close below this weekly pivot. Once we have a confirm and it's just in this box basically, then we can take it. Then how the trade will work is, let's say for instance our entry is in this box at the low. Oh, you know. Then our stop will be about, say, 13 pips, and we'll target today's Asian low. So a nice little snake trade like that.
There we go.
And then I would say on EU, no, I'm not gonna take EU. I'm only gonna look at GJ. Only GJ.
So there you go, Fabio. The bar was the bar I gave you, bro.
But Fabio, we can keep in touch on the group. Obviously, that's different for us. So we will just keep an eye on that.
All right. So yeah, there we have it. Is Fabio in your group as well?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, there we go then. There you have the trade. We had a beautiful TP here today. Another one, 2 in a row. Let's see again. We said we want to keep this going now. So other than that, guys, that's it. Markets are quieting down already. New York's all about in and out. That's why we trade the volume. So other than that, guys, hope you have a great one. We'll see you guys tomorrow for opening bell with myself and Chris. Some news again tomorrow. So always that's looking forward to that. And otherwise, myself and Jeff will see you in the afternoon. It's been good.
Heads up, guys. I might not be here tomorrow. I might go find out whether I'm having a boy or a girl. So wish me luck on that.
There we go. But other than that, we'll see you guys around. Be safe, stay safe, and we'll check you guys on the flip side. Peace and love, baby.